Happy Saturday morning. This is the day that me and Mario, we spend more time taking care of us. When I say us, we all have our separate things that we should be taking care of. So you should have self-care, and then there is relationship care. So he has quite a few things that he has to get done when it comes to self-care. And I as well. Let's show you what I'm wearing today. Like you've seen this before, haven't you? I love bodysuits, and I do like these types of shorts because they just look good on my frame. No, I will not be wearing these shoes. I'll be wearing something else. But I do need to do a pedicure, manicure. I do them myself. I don't go anywhere. I've been always doing them myself. And I need to clean this this room, my office closet room space. My clothes are fine. Laundry is practically done, but I need to clean this nasty floor. Well, to me it's nasty. It may not seem like that to you. Well, you guys don't know that. But I need to clean this floor. I'm going to shampoo the floor because I do have a shampooer. And I'm going to show you guys something else I need to get done. I have to finish putting this machine together. So I stopped at the motor. I got the table together, but I stopped at the motor. So I'm recording it. That's why it's taking me so long to get it done. Oh, Lord, he loud. So I got to get the motor together. I need more lights for my vanity area, for my salon. Some of the lights are out. What else? Just pretty much, yeah. See all of the pieces to the machine here. And before I get started with anything, there is a video that I'm supposed to have out for you guys. It's done and it's uploaded. I just need to get it live on the channel. Face tracking. It lost my face. Okay, so let's stop playing with this camera. So we're about to go and have some breakfast, and then we're gonna come back and take care of some stuff at home. No.
I'm just silly as hell. I like to laugh. Sometimes I just laugh for no reason.
Yeah, okay.
What are you looking for?
So when we got home, our food was here. Our meal prep. We use the meal prep service, Icon Meals. It's here. He said, open the door, baby. So we get our meal preps delivered to us every Saturday and Wednesday actually. So we're out of meals, so we had to get back onto our schedule. But this is Icon Meals, and their meals are what do you call this? Dry ice. So we do two types. We do custom meal preps, which means we pick and choose what we want. based off the macros, so proteins, carbs, and veggies, and they'll calculate the fat and all of that for us. I think that's Mario's. Or we'll do their chef sampler. So what they do with their, see, these are the ones that are custom, which means we picked out what we want, and he has a favorite that he gets with them all the time. And then the other ones that are a part of their featured meals or something like that, they give us the macros on those because they're not something we specifically requested. But the ones that we requested, they give us the information and stuff we need as we're ordering it. So I believe this is all mostly of his because he likes those. I like the pancakes, especially, well, the breakfast. So we're gonna got the breakfast going on, and yeah, more stuff that I actually like. Definitely forgotten how much work it is to upload videos. So much information that you should put in the description box of your videos, because there's other things that you want to modernize other than just the video itself. So I'm getting acclimated back into the motion of things and finding links and websites and affiliate links that I'm associated with that I haven't used in a while. So yeah, took a lot of work just finding the links and everything, but once I got it, I got it. So one of the websites that I do use is Magic Link, and what it does is it finds particular stores that modernize. So like when people click onto something and they purchase it, you do get a percentage of, you know, the sales of that. It's commission based, so it's affiliate marketing. So one thing I am going to have to create my own, you know, web page review type page for it, is for the John Amico like hairspray stuff that's mentioned in the previous video. If you're not watching it, you should be watching it after this one, because I just uploaded it. But yeah, so that's what I use. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do it into a program that I use most often. I use either Wix or Kartra. So yeah, those are the two sites that, you know, I use to build my websites and to build my like e-commerce pages and things like that. So I'll show you that, I guess, in this vlog. But let me finish this up and make sure that it's uploaded correctly. So when I'm done with my videos, I actually do a lot of my uploads like graphics. For example, the thumbnail. I do my thumbnails in an app called Spark Post. It's a part of the Adobe. Because I'm Adobe certified instructor, I use this a lot, and this is how I create most of my thumbnails myself. There are other like apps and things that you can use to do this, but this is the most common one that I use. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of like dime piece information with you guys on how I do some things, as I try to stay consistent with blogging as much as I possibly can. But you see, I'm inside of the YouTube Studio app where I actually uploaded the thumbnail for the video. So make sure you go and watch that video after you finish watching this one. So I definitely have plans to do a like tour or closet tour again, because I just
accumulated some things, and some things I've gotten rid of, and I just really want to do another one. But at this moment, I just need to clean out and reorganize things. I'm very obsessive compulsive when it comes to organizing. But not only that, I have a lot of stuff that I just want to be able to show you guys, not just here on this channel, but also on my fitness channel. So hope you guys will go and subscribe there as well, Beauty Cut Right Fitness, so that you can learn a little bit more on my fitness journey. But right now, I'm trying to get things like together and organizing and getting rid of things that I don't. Well, you see, I like to listen to music. But yeah, just get everything together and organize, and it makes it a lot easier for me to develop really good content for you guys. So I'm working it out. I'm trying to stay consistent, but it first starts with me changing my environment. I seem to be pretty good at that. So everything is organized and put together, and I am going to make sure that I clean everything out and go from there. So hopefully you guys will get to see that type of video coming out sometime next week. So make sure you subscribe and get notifications.
Video when he's learning stuff. How many modules you already gone through? How many modules you already gone through? How many modules have you gone through? You almost done, you think?
I think I got 2 more left, but it's an arrow.
Oh.
At the bottom, there might be some more stuff.
I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying, you guys. I want to do more vlogging. But anyway, make sure you check out the previous vlog video. Also, when you get a chance, go over to Beauty Cut Right Fitness and subscribe if you haven't, because August is my weight loss journey celebration month, and I'm going to start uploading some videos there. So hope to see you in the next video here and there.